We'll guide you through how to get a free Wix domain. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on the Pricing tab. Here, you'll see a range of premium plans, but don't worry, we're focusing on the free domain option. Scroll down until you find the option to start with a free website. Click on Get Started under this section. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Select one that suits your needs, then click Edit to customize your site. After customizing your site to your liking, click on Publish at the top right corner. When you publish your site, Wix will automatically assign a free Wix domain to your site, which follows the format of your username.wixsite.com/your-site-name. Remember, this domain is free, but it will include Wix branding. If you decide later that you want a custom domain without the Wix branding, you can upgrade to a premium plan at any time. Keep in mind, the free domain is great for personal projects or if you're just starting out and want to test the waters. It's a fantastic way to get your website up and running without any initial cost. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.